Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change shipping price on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So open your admin panel and go to settings and select shipping and delivery. So here you will find this general shipping rates option. Click on manage. So here inside of the shipping to option, you will get shipping address. To change any shipping price from any location, just click on this three dot and click on edit rate, and now simply change the price of your shipping and click on done, then click on save. So this was the way we can change shipping price on Shopify. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.